Okay, so we'll move on to the part 2, which is to create the body for this dragonfly. So we'll be tracing the outline of this dragonfly and then create a series of section cuts, section lines, and then we'll love those section lines. So before doing that, let's set our layer to layer 1. I want to see the line in red, and then we will just simply just start tracing the outline of the body outline. So that's zoom in, maximize the view, and then there's a lot of different way to trace. You guys can explore yourself, but just find out which one is more comfortable for you. I think for this assignment is I'm used to use this one, the very first one. So we'll start from here. Turn off your ortho and your OSNAP. Just disable it. So literally you just start tracing the outline. If you want to go really detailed, you can, which might take more time, but I'm just gonna show you roughly how this thing will be done. Okay, when you are done, just right click. So this line right here is done. For the other part, I'm just gonna do mirror, since they should be somehow symmetrical to each other. So I will turn on the snap and ortho again. Use the middle line as my guide, and then just do the mirror. I know this is not perfect. If you wish, you can trace the other part. But for your car or assignment or your transportation design, it's better to mirror so that you don't have to do everything twice. So for the plan view, we're done with the tracing of the body. So let's move to the front view. So we'll do the same thing basically. We just trace the outline for here. Again, I'm just gonna do it roughly. Turn off your snap and ortho. And then I will stop right here, right click. So that's the upper part. For this front view, we cannot do the mirror again because they are totally different. So let's trace the lower part. Don't worry about the legs right now, just do the body first. So they don't have to close. You can just keep them as separate lines, right click. So you are done with the trace of the basic outline. Okay, so but be careful though, because when you draw anything that's not snap, it's always gonna be shown, it's gonna be drawn on 0 point. So that's the 0 point for X. So this and here, they are not crossing to each other. So let's move this to where it should be. Turn on your ortho. Okay. So and then make sure that the position is not become weird. Maybe a little bit lower. So on the plan view, these should be on the center, dead center, and these should be on the dead center on the front view. So looks like everything's doing good. Okay, so let's move this line to a different layer, because I want to I don't want to see in this the following exercise. So let's go to a green layer and turn it off. So right now we'll be doing a command called cross section. This is extremely handy. What it does is it's gonna generate the